DJT stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. So with Trump Media stock, this is how it relatively looks like. In an ideal world, when we were inside the demand area here, the price should have started going up, but guess what happened? We didn't start going up. By a matter of fact, we kept going down. So what's next here with DJT? I mean, my 2 honest cents were, yes, like only really wait for that daily double break for me to be bullish. And yes, mate, like I could try and double down like on the lower time frame and then try to take this thing lower, whatnot. But I'm not going to be here trying to kind of find a needle in the hay. What I'll just wait is if I see a double break above here and it seems solid and a great risk to reward, I'm going to be fine to buy. But if it starts going even deeper, then that's going to be a little bit of an interesting situation. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free, just check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.